this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some. I'm fighting for my soul, God get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off who wants some.
I see them long hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? So yes, this is another truck video, but you can see the weather's just complete shit, so still no bike. But I got challenged to do a video by Mr. Fatboy R6. I've been trying to do it on the bike, but there's just no way. And I haven't uploaded a video in a while, so I figured, well, what is this guy doing? Probably ought to just make one in the truck. Why the hell not? No rule that says I have to make it on a bike. So this challenge is the 5-question challenge. And I've been seeing this go around, but I've been seeing other people doing it differently. And the 5-question challenge that I am doing, oh, it's kind of weird. Anyways, I ended up having to watch Fatboy R6's video again and write down what questions it was. So the first one is, what sitcom or cartoon would I be in if I was in one? I really don't know. I mean, I've thought about this and thought about this and thought of this. I mean, I do know I picked 2 out, but the one I'm going to go with is the Fall Guy. And I know for all you young people, you'll have no clue what I'm talking about. Fall Guy was a pretty good show when I was a kid. I loved it. You know, you take a Chevy truck and jump the shit out of it. And I don't remember if he was a cop or not. It's the only thing I can't remember. But go around catching people and shit, you know, doing bad stuff. But it's a good show. I miss it. I try to check it out every now and again on YouTube. You can find it. Number 2, what would I change my name to? Honestly, nothing. This is my name, and I would never change it because it's my name. That's my answer. Dog or cat? Dog. Cats are fucking evil. Cats are dumb. Cats are lazy. Fuck cats. Can't stand cats. Hate them with a passion. I'm a dog man. Dog is the animal that will always be there for you no matter what. You can walk outside your house, turn around, come back in 5 seconds later, and that dog is excited to see you like you've been gone for 8 hours. That's why dogs are the perfect pet. And with dogs, you treat them like an animal. You don't treat them like an animal, you treat them like a sibling or a child. You know, it's part of your family. Favorite holiday is 4th of July. I mean, come on, get drunk, blow shit up. That's my favorite holiday, 4th of July. Because that's what I like to do. I like to blow shit up. I like to burn money in the sky. Who would play me in a movie? I've got 2 answers to this one, and I'm kind of actually going with Fatboy R6's answer. Honestly, if they was going to make a movie about me, I'm going to play myself because nobody else can play me. I mean, that's all there is to it. I am me. You know, nobody can be me. But I will add this though. It's a fucking highway patrolman. I'm sitting here making a video on it with a highway patrolman right there. What's up, buddy? Anywho, now I will say this. Now, like most movies that are made about people, those people are passed on, like 90% of the time. So I would throw in the stipulation: who would make a movie about my life if I had passed on? I would want it to be Tom Hardy. Why Tom Hardy? I don't know. I like him. It seems like, you know, it doesn't matter what kind of role he gets put in, he can do a wonderful job. And kind of like Bruce Willis. Bruce Willis is one of them other actors that it doesn't matter what kind of fucking movie it is, he'll do it. And I feel like Tom Hardy's the same way. It doesn't matter what role he's put in, he does a wonderful job. And I feel like in his personality, at least in most of his movies, is kind of the same as mine. So that's my answers to my 5-question challenge. I have to nominate people now. So I'm going to nominate. I didn't even think this far ahead. Who the fuck do I nominate for this shit? I'm gonna nominate Jester on 2. That's right, dickhead. Get on your bike, make a video. I'm gonna nominate Captain Granite because we always nominate each other. Even though his video will be a while because, you know, he'll do it on a motovlog and it'll be a little while before he can get on his bike. And my third person. Who haven't I nominated to do shit in a while? I'm trying to think of who else I've seen do this shit already. Road Rash. I'm gonna nominate Road Rash. You gotta do this shit, bud. Since you still do actually get to ride, but not get to, you have to. Road Rash HD. You can make this video. Do this challenge. Anyways, that's it. Just wanted to, you know, get this challenge knocked out for you all. I am driving down the road. Blah, blah, blah. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By now, I'm sure I've already had the little thing come up and hit the subscribe, the like button, Instagram, shit like that. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all my subs that are still here. Hopefully, 2020 here will be a lot bigger year for me. I'm not setting a very high goal for myself because it was very hard 2019 just to, I mean, I started off 2019 over 400 subs and I barely made 500, so by 2020. So I'm not going to set a high goal. If I hit 600 subs, I will be ecstatic. If I hit more than that, I will be more ecstatic. Yeah, that's shit, right? Anyways, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.